Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. If you ever wonder what it's like to work in the bar department on a cruise ship, how much they earn, what their daily life looks like, and what kind of duties they handle, then this video is for you. So grab your drink and let's talk about life behind the cruise ship bar. The bar department is one of the busiest and most exciting departments on board. They're the ones who keep the guests refreshed and entertained, from poolside cocktails to classy martinis in the lounges. There are different positions in the bar department, including bar utility or bar boy, assists bartenders, clean glasses, restocks drinks, bar waiter, bar waitress, take orders and serve drinks to guests. Bartender mixes and prepares cocktails. Bar supervisor or head bartender oversees operations and ensures service runs smoothly. It's a team that works fast, smiles always, and keeps the good vibes flowing. Now let's talk about one of the biggest questions. How much do they earn? Bar utility or bar boy, around $900 to $1,200 per month. Bar waiter, bar waitress, around $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Bartender can earn $2,000 to $3,000 or even more, especially on luxury ships. And bar supervisor or head bartender, around $3,000 to $4,000 per month. Most bar positions earn extra tips from guests, especially during events or formal nights. That's why many crew members love working in this department. The base salary might be moderate, but tips can make a big difference. Bar staff usually work 10 to 12 hours a day, split into shifts. They start early to prepare bar, polish glasses, and restock supplies. During the day, they might work near the pool or open deck, and at night, in lounges or clubs. It's a busy schedule, but they also get short breaks, meals, and sometimes time off when the ship is in port. The schedule depends on the ship activities, so if there's a party or team night, expect a long but fun day. Here are some of their main duties. Prepare and serve alcohol and non-alcoholic drinks, maintain cleanliness and organization of the bar, restock liquor, mixers, and glassware, handle guest orders politely and professionally, ensure guests don't drink excessively, safety is important on board, and follow all hygiene, safety, and company service standards. Bar staff also learn to remember regular guests' favorite drinks, small details that make a big difference in guest experience. Working in the bar department can be challenging, especially during busy sea days, but it's also one of the most social and enjoyable jobs on the ship. You meet guests from all over the world, learn amazing drink recipe, and build strong friendship with your team. Many crew start as bar utilities and work they up to become a bartenders or even bar supervisors. So if you're passionate about hospitality, teamwork, and a fast-paced environment, this might be the perfect department for you. And that's what life is like working in the bar department on board a cruise ship. From mixing drinks to making memories, it's truly a fun and rewarding career. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who dream of working at sea. Cheers to your future cruise ship journey.